For today's video, I will going to show you how to do dimensioning using your AutoCAD mobile app. First, let's activate the dimension layer. Make it sure that it is set current, that it's checked in our layer properties. And then let's go to properties, and then in dimension, let's change, of course, the line weight into 0.15. And then in annotation, you can see the text style, we change it into standard. The dimension style, we're gonna change it into standard. And also the multi-leader style, we're gonna change it into annotative. And then we're gonna proceed in making our dimension. So let's just create, or let's just use the aligned dimension. And then we're gonna specify the first point of the extension line, or the first point of your our object that you need to dimension. And then we're gonna change it, the mtext, into 2 decimal places. So just select the mtext and then erase the 20, and then just select the check. And then also, again, select the first extension line in your object and then the second line. And then let's just edit the mtext into 2 decimal places of your dimension. And then create all the details for your dimension based on the object that you need to have the dimensioning. Let's just check our drawing if the layers is applied to our dimension. So make sure it's 0.15 of line weight. And that's it for our today's video.